Guys, that's the big Centerbogan that we just dosed the fuel tank, and we've got the opportunity to see it working. And for companies like this and other companies that you'll come across, they're going to get a lot more value out of using green fuel technology products in any of their heavy equipment. I like to say when I see these things, the older the boys, the bigger the toys. Do see a little bit of exhaust emissions, but the thing to remember is we are reducing it from what it was by up to 85%. So that is a fantastic improvement. And most of the time you can actually see that the engine isn't burning quite clean. It's only under an absolute strain. It does get a little bit of a puff out the exhaust, but other than that, we are making it a lot cleaner than what it generally would be. Seen the interview events and the way that he loves to use a GFT on his equipment out here, and that is actually one of his sons in that piece of equipment right now. And there you go, you got to see work in progress. Absolutely wonderful.